Hello guys and welcome to the vlog again. This is the second day at Banaras and as you can see, I thought it's gonna be hot but it's kind of cold. Not cold, like it's a good weather to go out. So I am ready. My sister, she is getting ready actually. Okay, and after getting ready we are going to go out. It's gonna be very amazing because we're gonna be going to the biggest temple actually, and we're gonna be trying some local foods, like most everything. I'll try to show you, so wait for it and you're gonna have an amazing vlog this day. Share, like, comment, okay? We'll see. Also my chai is coming, like it was giving me a bit headache. Also my leg is also hurting because I was keep on walking for like a 3,000 steps.
Shavi, can you apply bottle on my back, please?
Yeah, so I need some chai. So chai is coming. I'm just waiting for that. After chai, we're gonna go out of that room. We're gonna go out from the door.
Hey, have you seen the blush?
Guys, so chai has come and I'm kind of like taking the chai. We asked for the extra strong chai. I hope it is extra strong, otherwise they're gonna know that they're messing with the wrong person actually. So, okay. Wait, it's not even coming. What is this?
A very cliche thing for people to take notes itself.
I don't understand,
It's
yeah.
so normalized for people to
Oh, it's coming now.
Especially if you're getting
Okay.
high, you should be studying.
You know what I don't like about the chai? Why they don't put the sugar? Like, why do we have to put the sugar? That's what I don't like. Otherwise, it's all good.
Now,
Today. And here you go. Why does my hand start paining, yaar?
even mine this right?
Yeah, and leg also is paining.
Yeah, it's because of all the travel.
I need to have some medicines,
and the
yaar.
water change.
I need to have some medicines.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Ugh.
To the J.
Oh, I found my scarf. It's chai and blueberry.
Okay, so the chai is here. Let me taste.
Let me have a taste.
I've added like extra sugar because I like my tea sugar. No, I like my tea sweet. Yeah. Let's see.
I look so Indian today, Shavi.
Me too.
If we exclude that pouch.
Mm.
I still feel kind of fevery, but the excitement.
Okay, guys. So we're finally just getting out of the hotel. I was not able to find the, what do you call that? The rubber band. Oh, look at the painting. It's so amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go and like try to maybe find from the market and stuff like that. I have no cash. I'm just relying too much on the GPay. So let's see how it's gonna be. But the weather is kind of good there. Yeah. We're coming back, huh? Yeah. What happened?
We're having auto ride.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try to take the rickshaw and all, and I'll reach on the spot.
I'm
and
not
then
afraid
the,
of this. Auto!
Update, okay?
Auto! Vishwanath.
He's also coming, I think so.
Huh?
He's also coming.
He's also coming.
Yeah.
With us. भाई अलग लेवल का बंदा है.
ऐसा है ना सिस्टर, थोड़ा सा उधर कीजिए. ऐसा है कि आप यहाँ पर दर्शन करेंगी नए विश्वनाथ जी,
हाँ.
नए वाले पर.
विश्वनाथ टेम्पल कहाँ
हाँ,
पर है?
विश्वनाथ टेम्पल है, 2 है, तो वहाँ पर जाएंगे.
सबसे बड़ा वाला.
बड़ा वाला जो है ना, सब बड़ा टेम्पल है बहुत, वहाँ जाना है हमें.
वहाँ पर देखिए ये नए विश्वनाथ जी है, वो पुराने विश्वनाथ जी है.
हाँ, तो बड़ा कौन से है? बड़ा वाला.
अब बड़ा वाला ये भी है, बाबा विश्वनाथ धाम, ठीक है, टेम्पल. और वो भी बड़े वाले हैं.
अच्छा, ओके.
हाँ, तो आप यहाँ पर आप दर्शन कर लीजिए विश्वनाथ जी. चलिए हम दर्शन आप लोग को करवा दें.
ठीक है, चलेगा.
चलिए हम दर्शन करवा देंगे. जो श्रद्धा होगा दे दीजिएगा. हाँ, चलिए
Wait, is he gonna
विश्वनाथ
ask
जी
the money?
डायरेक्ट. हाँ, चलिए. हाँ, कहाँ हाँ, लंका
This guy randomly
अच्छा,
is
कहाँ
with us.
कहाँ पर बैठा है?
50 is fine. 50 is fine.
He is taking us.
नहीं, आप कहाँ से बैठा है?
And he's asking, maybe he's gonna give us a guide which we have not even asked. I'm not sure how it's gonna be.
नहीं, बाहरी नहीं है, हमारी सिस्टर है. ठीक है, ठीक है. हाँ, चला पैसा ले लिया
Negotiation.
15 चला चला पैसा ऊपर आ
फाइनली मैं
हाँ और 200-300 मांगे हाँ चलिए 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 आप
Oh my god, my hairs are gonna be so crazy. Shit, we don't even have hair tie. Okay guys, the Pandit has actually scammed us. That Pandit was so bad. And he literally made us stop at nowhere. So now we have to take the other rickshaw to go to the place where he wanted to go. Kachori stream kar do. Hi, are you nuts? Kachori stream? Imagine in this hot weather we are having kachoris. Oh, so bad. और इनके सर में नहीं अच्छी रखी वहाँ की वो बैंड बाजा होते अच्छी रखी अच्छा 180 दो का है कि एक का है अरे दो का हाँ look they're putting she look at my face are you sure we should have this right now yeah सर क्या ही होगा क्या ही होगा let him go this one is very strong है ना पर इसमें ये हरा वाला आपने ज़्यादा डाला है
मीडियम डाला हमने मीडियम से भी कम अभी है
crazy यार crazy भैया हाँ no भांग is not first time
रात को आपको मिल गया था ऑनलाइन मिल गया था कैसे आपको
क्या मिल गया था
ऑटो वाले को 100 रुपये मिल गया आपको
आपको कैसे पता how did this guy know
तमाम आपको नहीं
कौन सा वाला है मेरा
एक मिनट दे रहा हूँ वेट करो
wait is he asking him oh it's his ah
लास्ट जब आपने आया ना तो ऑटो वाला था उससे पूछा था कि आप पूछा था कि 100 रुपये का ऑनलाइन मैं वहाँ पकड़ा था
अच्छा
मैं स्टाफ से आपने पूछा कि
अच्छा
100 रुपये ऑनलाइन कर दूंगा आप दे दोगे
हाँ तो आपने दिया नहीं फिर भी मुझे
मैं नहीं दिया उसका
so
रीजन था
bad
उसका रीजन क्या था
क्या
कि नेटवर्क इशू चल रहा था अब टेलीफोन फंस जाता है ना और स्पैम बहुत चल रहा है तो इसी में
आपको लगा हम स्कैम करेंगे we thought we are scam
क्या कोई
for 100 rupees
ना मैंने भी कहा कि आप करोगे चल रहा है अगर मेरे अंदर ऐसा होता मैं अभी क्यों पूछता आपसे बताइए अभी मैं ऐसा सोचता कैसे क्यों कहता आपको
अभी है ना जी पे
हाँ
ओके अभी यू गिव हिम 1000 रुपीस आप हमें 1000 कैश
नो
दो
100 ओनली
आपको पता है हम स्ट्रगल करने वाले हैं स्टिल यू आर नॉट हेल्पिंग 1000 is fine 1000 is fine yeah because we're going to Nepal anyway we don't need the cash आज साथ जाती है
हो गया क्लियर
okay
चलो 2 मिनट
so we are back in the room actually बहुत ज़्यादा भांग हो गई थी तो I'm not able to was not able to make the vlog but after sleeping we have ordered some waffles okay this is the waffles we have ordered these are the waffles and there are some other stuff also are there so we're gonna eat and end our day with that I'm so sorry we wanted to show you so many things और मैंने record किया है मेरे कैमरे में if you guys want you guys can go to my Instagram and check the what do you call that and check the video you know okay this one is honey so I'll eat and I'll keep you guys posted we have come to the Lanka I think so this is the Lanka place and we are trying this wait you're eating how is it it's not bad at all it's good right it's like roti इसके अंदर क्या मिलाया है ये
चने का सत्तू
चना what do you call so it tastes good can they give a spoon आपके पास चम्मच होगा क्या you can't use this on spoon I can't can I have this man okay, let me try wait how do भैया अभी भी
It's
पकड़
cow
सकते
dung
हैं ऐसे
actually.
पकड़े ना ऐसे
The dried
ऐसे
is
पकड़
cow
लो।
dung.
ऊपर थोड़ा सा
हिंदी में बोलूँ
okay so I'm gonna try this
क्या? मुझे समझा नहीं आपको। नहीं ये काफी है। नहीं एक बाकी है। एक हो गया। काफी I'll pass the dung. No, basically the people who ask what do we do with cow dung in Manchester cows too much. This is cow dung dried up and now it is made
some
to eat
masala.
It's actually really healthy way.
and then it has this
Instead of using gas, you can use it to give you nice taste. Yeah. Oh my god, the stage is coming on me.
let's go
Hey, करूँ?
hold this
I don't wanna eat food. क्या?
नहीं जाना है पकड़ पेमेंट कर दो what are you gonna do then
I don't wanna eat. बस इतना ही खाना है तो पे करते यहाँ पे रख के चलेगा
अरे यार
पे इतना लिटिल चोका इट्स
दाल बाटी wait don't throw it we have come to this pani puri guy because everyone says the pani puri is very good so we're gonna be trying that
कांदा भी तो थोड़ा अनियन
ये क्या मसाला है डाला आपने
वाह
मटर है मटर तो भाई
कैमरा नाउ
मटर से ना कॉस्ट समथिंग is good
ask him to stop
guys is it good
it's good but I am full
रहने दीजिए एक दे दो मैं भी ट्राई करने दे वेट प्लेट ही
yummy very yummy Pawan is actually good ask him out right not my type
now we are actually kind of going just walking we thought to take a taxi and all but these people kind of scam us so it's better just to explore the place by oh I know where are we going we don't want to go that ghat
no we're not going to Ghat but we're just trying street food right
okay I'm not sure
yeah I like this building they all look like oh sorry
wait this is so good
it's gonna die anytime soon.
this is nice look at this amazing temple I think its name is Shri wait I can Shri Swami Rameshwara Nandan okay I think if I misspelled my bad I'm so sorry that was not the intention at all what happened
They threw the bottle outside of the house.
this is someone's house
Yeah.
oh my god
नहीं This is literally so bad.
but we don't
Whatever,
go.
it's on their footpath.
oh it's a cow is coming come let's go this way
Yeah, like this house. I want to miss it.
किसका घर ये आपका है क्या आप कहाँ पे रहते हो जौनपुर पे रहते हो ओके नाइस
आप लोग कहाँ पे
मुंबई oh look at that this is also nice so we're gonna keep walking and I see the cows actually let's go this side I think more of the residential area this is you know very close by actually wait I can't believe she's gonna have chai again I don't think so yaar she's like
Don't go with.
okay there's someone's house actually
Oh, she stopped. She liked my pet.
this place is good actually and we're gonna go with the chai कौन सी चाय अदरक है की कैसी है अदरक चाय
He has AirPods. It's so nice. Even I don't have AirPods. Nice AirPods.
okay this is nice if you guys know what is this place exactly and if someone lives here let me know in the comment okay I'm also having some camera like I'm taking some picture so that I can upload it on my Instagram if you guys want to see what pictures I'm gonna get from this you guys have to go to our channel and maybe like go to my follow my you know like Instagram and you'll see the pictures I'm taking a lot
The
of pictures
police
today,
will
okay?
come or and what?
So we have come to a place, I don't know, it's called something Roots and all, Roots Vrindavan, and it's so beautiful, like, I think it's a restaurant, I don't know, I need to ask someone maybe, but it's actually very pretty, I mean, it's just mind-blowing, man. The grass is green. It's just so beautiful, man. Like, this is what I talk about, man. This is so beautiful. Like, this is crazy, man. It's just golden. It's crazy, man. Show them these clouds, no?
Yeah, they are seeing the clouds.
See, this is so pretty, man. I mean, a place like this, who would not like
You
to
guys
come?
stay here?
This is the outside of that route, you know. Like, one thing I've observed here,
What?
like, tourist place and the, you know, residential areas, it's kind of be like at the same place actually. You just look at and do it.
We were just coming out and taking a taxi, so there was this bunch of.
One place actually, and he's making up.
नशा तो नहीं होगा ना? बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
नशा भी बनता है, बिना नशा वाला भी बनता है।
बिना नशे वाला देना.
कौन लगा लें?
एक ही.
ये कौन लगा लें?
ज़्यादा इसमें मसाला मत डालना, थोड़ा मीठा बनाना.
मिठाई बनाएंगे।
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Okay, you got offended or what? But this is very nice. ये आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया actually. बहुत beautiful लग रहा है.
Yeah.
It's very aesthetic and very beautiful, man.
Everything is just so.
And he's. आप कहाँ पे रहते हो? यहीं पे रहते हो क्या? Oh, he's also there. The other guy is there, like he's waiting. But I do like it, you know. At this time, I mean, I'm able to see more of that because yesterday I came a very late night and I was not able to see everything because everything was closed, you know. They do have a mirror too. Wait, I'm not sure if you guys can see me or not. But that's me. Hi, hello, 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 hello.
He keeps saying.
If the pan is ready,
Yo. He's folded it.
and
Is he also
okay,
gonna spray something?
what is the spray?
It must be mouth French too.
Wow,
The steps never stops.
this seems very
Keeps on adding
authentic
layers
one,
and
man.
layers. Thank you. Shall we please pay? I'm gonna try.
From the very first bite. Look here. Is it good? Look at the guy's reaction. कितना हुआ भैया? 40 rupees? Okay. This time we are at Sighat, as we showed you, the that date was kind of like a night's time, and if you see, the crowded has gathered to just you know, for the prayers actually. So you know, the pandits are gonna perform here, and it's gonna start in like an hour or something like that. But it's very beautiful, you know, to come here and all. I want to take our what do you call that? The boat ride, but I think so I'm gonna take it. Come. This is where I swear to God, I almost felt like I'm gonna have a nightmare actually, you know, yesterday. It was so hard for me yesterday this time, Ragini. It was so hard to walk this time, and
Yeah, I remember. Oh, we started from there.
we were there only, right? Wait, is this what?
Is it also
Be careful with this one, huh?
सुनना
Where are you? But it's really crowded over here. It's really crowded. The one I told you, no? I don't think so. We should come here. I mean, we should go at the back. Yeah, we can go. Yeah, let's go from here. other places that are kind of exhausting and all. So we'll meet you guys at some other places. So till the time, bye bye. Like, subscribe, and share.